Having the right shower water makes for healthier skin, brighter hair, and reduces dangerous contaminants, all while getting rid of hard water scale buildup. With a shower water filter, you get all the benefits without the hassle. Install it in just minutes and let the purification begin. Our experts have researched and reviewed the 8 top-rated shower water filters. In this video, we'll explain how shower water filters work to purify and soften your water and the subtle differences between each model so you can find the ideal fit for your home. Be sure to check the links in the description box below for additional information, up-to-date pricing, and exclusive Freshnss discounts. Let's dive in. Starting at number 8 is the Luxsego high-pressure shower head with filter beads. Ideal for men, women, kids, and pets, and a perfect addition to your RV, the Luxsego 3-setting high-pressure water-saving shower head with filter beads. Do you want the ultimate spa-like shower experience? The hydrojetting mode is strong enough to help keep your bath tile clean, even in the hard-to-clean corners. Luxsego 3-setting water-saving shower head boasts a unique design, including a high-density filter system with 2 proprietary built-in natural mineral beads in the handle and the shower head. While showering clean, you're also removing impurities on your skin and keeping you perfectly pH balanced. Crafted using eco-friendly materials, the Luxsego has a detachable, easy-to-hold handle, and the Luxsego design makes it easy to clean, guaranteed not to leak. The Luxsego is super easy to install and uses a general 1/2-inch fitting for any standard size shower arm. No plumber, no tools. Weighing only 11 ounces and measuring 9.5 by 3 by 3, the 1-minute installation makes the Luxsego 3-setting shower head the hero of your family. Here are the pros. 3 settings: rainfall, jetting, and massage. Anti-aging infrared mineral balls in the handle. Skin-enriching anion mineral balls in the shower head. Increases water pressure by up to 200%. 30% water savings, and it offers 1.5 gallons per minute flow rate. Here are the cons. May require pre-treatment if your home has very hard water. Filter bead balls need to be replaced every several months. Next, at number 7, is the AquaHomeGroup luxury filtered 15-stage shower filter with vitamin C for hard water. Leave it to the AquaHomeGroup to not only design an amazingly attractive and modern shower head, but then to challenge the competitors in the shower filter category and pack it full of 15 types of essential media. This impressive luxury shower head filter includes 2 layers each of ultrafine and high-density stainless steel mesh, 2 layers of PP cotton, magnetic energy, germanium, alkaline ceramic, and microporous ceramic balls. It also includes a dechlorinization balancing calcium sulfite stage, activated coconut carbon, Mayfan stone, vitamin C, and their exclusive KDF 55 media layers. Now that is some exceptional filtering. Between the filter rests a flexible metal universal joint, and it's packed with 2 more layers of vitamins E and C to soften and repair itchy and dry skin and hair. All of this AquaHomeGroup technology is packed into a unique wall-mounted 2.5-pound design, measuring 12 inches high, 6 inches wide, and only 4 inches deep. The AquaHomeGroup luxury filter shower head makes a great gift. Here are the pros: metal and water soluble removing KDF 55 media, micronutrient body essential Mayfan stone media, includes oxygen-rich germanium layers, and pH balancing alkaline ceramic balls. And the cons: filter cartridge replacements are sold separately. It's slightly more expensive because of that 15-stage filter. At number 6 is the Culligan WSH C125 wall-mounted filtered shower head with massage. Founded in 1938 and operating in 90 countries, Culligan is a leader in the global water treatment market. Like all other products, the WSH C125 showerhead filter system is rigorously tested by Culligan. Only after the showerhead is tested and certified against the NSF and ANSI standard 177 to reduce chlorine does Culligan make it available to the public. A refreshing shower experience awaits. A Culligan WSH C125 wall-mounted filtered showerhead with massage includes 5 setting sprays and gives you the ultimate spa treatment. Besides reducing harsh chlorine levels and damaging scaly hard water buildup, Culligan filtration systems remove impurities which damage hair follicles and your skin cells. A Culligan WSH C125 wall-mounted filtered showerhead with massage has a beautiful shiny chrome finish. It filters 1.8 gallons per minute, it weighs less than 2 pounds, and measures 5 inches deep, 8.5 inches wide by 12 inches high. Here are the pros. Provides hydrating nourishment for skin, scalp, and hair. Recognized leader in water filtration. Significantly reduces hard water. It's compatible with well water systems. There's only one con. Additional filter replacements are sold separately. At number 5 is the HydroViv shower filter. The lead crisis in Flint, Michigan, and a charitable effort to resolve the problem propelled HydroViv into the spotlight. The water nerds at HydroViv work hard to understand how science backs their shower filter. One they declare is the holy grail of water filters that is custom tailored to your home's water. HydroViv offers you a universal 5-minute installation on any showerhead, a 30-day money-back guarantee, and up to 9 months of filter life. But that's just the beginning. HydroViv's resolve to build the best high-capacity lead-removing water filter has evolved into a global phenomenon. The groundbreaking technology built into each HydroViv shower filter is the company's ability to manufacture customized shower filters solely based on your shipping address. Whether your home sources water from a local municipality or a well, HydroViv uses collective data from cities and federal agencies and then matches the water table to your exact location. HydroViv takes its love of water filtration one step further. When it's time for a new filter, HydroViv cross-checks consumer confidence reports to see if anything has changed. This quality check ensures that your HydroViv filters the water perfectly for each and every shower. Here are the pros. Customized shower filter based on consumers' local water quality. Universal design fits all shower heads for easy installation. It's got a long 9-month filter life. And the cons may require plumber's tape to ensure leak-free installation. Slightly more pricey because of the customization for your specific water. At number 4 is the AquaBliss SF100 high-output revitalizing shower filter. The bliss in AquaBliss SF100 is there for a good reason. AquaBliss builds proprietary technology into the filter to reduce your home's water impurities, iron, hard water, and dangerous chemicals, while simultaneously bathing your body and hair with beneficial vitamins and minerals. AquaBliss SF100 High Output infuses oxygen, vitamin C, and vital minerals into your home's water. Radiate, refresh, and revitalize. At the same time, the filters work hard to neutralize odors and restore your home's water to its most natural state. Quality versus quantity is the AquaBliss mantra. Manufacture the best filtration media, including a unique SF100 premium-grade filter that helps eliminate hard water calcium deposits, while a redox formulated media filters out the dirt, chlorine, trihalomethanes, and much more. AquaBliss's universal standard 1/2-inch connections make the SF100 high-output revitalizing shower filter compatible with most shower heads. The water filtration process in an SF100 is impressive. Ultrafine stainless steel mesh stops medium-sized sediment right in its tracks. Next, Microporous PP cotton captures any additional sediment. Additionally, calcium sulfite and redox media reduce chlorine levels. An activated carbon filter further reduces chlorine, while a layer of mineralized beads boosts water oxygen levels. Zeolite and vitamin C ceramic beads infuse more minerals, and tourmaline boosts filtration further. All of the filtration power compressed in a footprint measuring only 3.5 inches wide, 3.5 inches deep, and 4.7 inches high. Plus a 100% no questions asked money-back guarantee. Here are the pros. Combination of 75% filtration media and 25% rejuvenating ingredients. Built to provide maximum water filtration. Compatible with fixed, rain, or handheld shower heads. Weighs less than 2 pounds. And the con, high chlorine water can reduce filter life. Into the top 3 is the Crystal Quest Shower Filter Head. If you're looking for the most advanced shower filter for hard water, check out the Crystal Quest Luxury Shower Power Filter. Built to remove chlorine, VOCs, pesticides, sulfur, heavy metals, remove rotten egg sulfur odors, rust, sediment, and more, and find the perfect pH balance for your home's water. Crystal Quest uses proprietary ERA 6500 and ERA 9500 water filters, plus a granulated active carbon filter made with coconut shells. Are you ready for healthy, refreshing showers that include cleaner skin, hair, nails, even more sparkling tub and shower? The Crystal Quest works using the drop-down filter technology. As your home's water flows from the plumbing into the Crystal Quest shower filter, the individual layers of media have more contact time, trapping and holding onto the impurities and dangerous metals and chemicals, so only the cleanest, most filtered water touches down on your skin. Periodic reversing of the cartridge not only ensures balanced filtration and eliminates the potential for channeling, but also backflushes the cartridge as it's filtering. Here are the pros. Easy swap filters. Reversible 1-year media cartridge ensures balanced filtration. Built with ultimate structural integrity, it boasts a 2-gallon per minute flow rate, built-in proprietary ERA oxidation reduction. The only con with this filter, it does work best in a higher water pressure environment. At number 2 is the Aquasana AQ4100 Deluxe Shower Water Filter System. Aquasana shower filter technology is inspired from an upflow design to help maintain water pressure, prevent clogging, and allow extra contact with the media layers. A mighty design packed into a small footprint with the capacity to filter 2.3 gallons per minute. The science in the Aquasana shower filters combine layers of premium natural carbon coconut shells to reduce chlorine and harmful metals. A copper and zinc media filter enhances the water's pH balance. Less of the bad stuff means softer, smoother, cleaner skin and hair. And the Aquasana AA4100 is NSF ANSI tested to standard 177, guaranteed to reduce up to or more than 90% of your water's chlorine. Weighing in at only 2.3 pounds and measuring 8.5 inches high, 7.25 inches deep, and 3.25 inches wide, the Aquasana AQ4100 Deluxe Shower Water Filter System is backed by a 1-year warranty and is very easy to install in as little as 4 steps. Just be sure to run your shower for a few minutes to rinse out the residual carbon fines. Here are the pros. Includes adjustable shower head picked from 4 styles. Easy and quick 4-step installation. Improves pH level. Guaranteed 10,000 gallon or 6-month filter life. And the cons may require plumber's tape to ensure leak-free installation. Filter replacements can add up. At the top spot is the Pelican Water PSF1 3-stage premium shower filter with shower head. Pelican believes in the power of the shower, so much so that their company employs a dedicated workforce to create and innovate shower filters for hard water. Pelican shower filters for hard water help to protect your bodies from harsh chemicals found in local water sources. At the source, the Pelican Premium PSF1 3-stage shower filter for hard water softens water using their proprietary 3-stage process. Water enters the PSF1 and passes through the copper, zinc, and oxidation media, creating a bacteriostatic environment. Next, the granular activated carbon media removes chemicals, bad odors, and tastes. Finally, a unique FAR infrared ball media vitalizes your home's water with health-benefiting blood flow and regeneration, which can help soothe sore muscles. Are you ready to experience a mini spa in every shower? Say goodbye to showering in chlorinated water. Purchase a Pelican Premium PSF1 3-stage shower filter for hard water, and your hair and skin will thank you. Weighing a mere 2.7 pounds, measuring only 3.8 inches deep, 3.8 inches wide, and 6 1/4 inches high, the easy-to-install Pelican arrives with a full 1-year warranty. You'll wonder why you ever allowed yourself to shower with chlorinated water in the first place. Pelican includes a relaxing ocean breeze scent bar and built-in water-saving technology that maintains a perfect 1.5 gallon per minute flow. Pelican, put your water to the test. Here are the pros: NSF certified and made with BPA-free materials. Filters up to 96% of chlorine. Reduces skin dryness, flakiness, and all unpleasant odors. Easy snap-in filter replacements. 2,000-gallon shower filter life. And the cons: works best in a high water pressure home. May be a little tricky to install because it's a premium filter system. Don't forget to check the description box below for more filtration information and exclusive Freshnss discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching. See you next time.